My friend has some cubes in a bag. Let's find out how many my friend has in their bag, and then we can see how many I have, and then we can add them both together. So let's find our first part. How many cubes does my friend have in their bag? Ready? Let's count by tens. 10, 20. These are my groups of 10. I have two groups of 10, which makes 20. And if I add one more to 20, what number does that make? What's one more than 20? One more than 20. So I have 20 and then 21. So right now there are 21 cubes in the bag. So two groups of 10 and one group of 1, which makes 21. Now let's see, how many cubes do I have? How many cubes are not in the bag? Let's count by tens. 10, 20, 30. So three groups of 10 makes 30. 1, 2, 3. Three groups of 10 makes 30. So I'm going to write a 3 in the tens place. And so if I have 30, I still need to add my ones. So what is 2 more than 30? 2 more than 30. What number does that make? Let's find out. So I know I have 10, 20, 30, 30, 31, 32. So I'm putting a 2 in the ones place, which makes 32. 32. Now these are my two parts. And when I see Gusta Plus is right there. Gusta Plus wants me to bring my two parts together. I need to find my whole number. How many cubes do I have in all? So blank plus blank is, remember equal means is, blank. So these two parts make my whole. It doesn't matter if the equal sign is in the back of the equation or the number sentence. It could be in the front because equal means is. Right now, these two parts, when they're put together, makes this number. These two parts is this number. So let's find out how many do we have in all. Let's first look at our groups of 10. How many tens do we have all together? How many tens do we have all together? I can look at my tens place, and I have a 2 and I have a 3. So I need to add 3 plus 2. Let's start with our bigger number and count on. So 3, 4, 5. So 3 plus 2 is 5. So I have 3 from my 32, 2 from my 21, and I know 3 plus 2, after bringing my tens together, that made 5. So I have right now 5 in my tens place. But are we done? No, we gotta add our ones. So when I look at my ones place, I have a 1 in 21 and a 2 in 32. So what is 2 plus 1? 2 plus 1. Let's find out. Let's start with our bigger number and count on. 2, 3. 2 from 32 plus 1 from 21 makes 3. And what number is that? What number does that make? If you said 53, you are right. 32 plus 21 is 53.